जेई मेंस 25 का ये क्वेश्चन कंसेप्चुअली इजी है, लेकिन इट्स लिटिल बिट टाइम टेकिंग। क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले जो फर्स्ट टर्म है उसके लिए सॉल्व करेंगे। एंड फर्स्ट टर्म इज कॉट इनवर्स अंडर रूट 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर 2 minus 1 divided by tan 2. Now we have formula identity 1 plus tan square is sec square. So cot inverse under root sec square 2 minus 1 divided by tan 2. Now we know under root sec square is mod sec 2. So cot inverse mod sec 2 minus 1 divided by tan 2. Now cot inverse mod sec 2 is minus sec 2. So minus sec 2 minus 1 divided by tan 2. Now cot inverse sec 2 is 1 by cos 2 minus 1 divided by tan 2 is sin 2 by cos 2. Now on simplifying we will get cot inverse of 1 minus 1 minus cos 2 divided by sin 2. And we have a formula of double angle formula. So from double angle we can write cot inverse of, this is 1 plus cos 2. So 1 plus cos 2 is 2 cos square, half of 2 is 1. So 2 cos square 1, and in the denominator sin 2 is 2 sin 1 into cos 1. Now cot inverse 1 will be cot inverse of 1. Now cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. From this identity we can write pi minus cot inverse of cot of 1. So final answer is cot inverse and cot get cancelled. Final answer is pi minus 1. Now take next term. Next term is cot inverse under root 1 plus tan square half plus 1 divided by tan square half. Tan half. So similar step here. Cot inverse under root 1 plus tan square is sec square half, and here mod sec square half, mod half. So cot inverse mod sec half is plus sec half. So 1 plus sec half divided by tan half will be 1 plus cos half divided by sin half. So cot inverse 1 plus cos half is 2 cos square, half of half is 1 by 4, and divided by 2 sin 1 by 4 into cos 1 by 4. Here also cos 1 by 4 and cos 1 by 4 will get cancelled. So remaining term is cot inverse cos 1 by 4 by sin 1 by 4, which is cot 1 by 4, is equals to cot inverse cos by sin is cot 1 by 4, and cot inverse cot get cancelled. So last final answer is 1 by 4. Now for the first term we have pi minus 1, and for second term we have 1 by 4. So whole equation equals to, which is cot inverse under root 1 plus tan square 2 plus 1 divided by tan 2 minus cot inverse 1 plus tan square half plus 1 divided by tan half, which will equals to pi minus 1 minus 1 by 4. So pi minus 1 by 4 is pi by 4. This is our final answer.